Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a Tumblr application and obtain the OAuth credentials required for your WordPress integration. Open the Tumblr API documentation and, under the What You Need section, click Register an Application. On the registration page, enter your application name and application website URL. The App Store and Google Play Store fields can remain blank if they are not required. Next, enter a short application description explaining how your application will be used, such as for social login and posting. Scroll down and confirm the administrative contact email. In the default callback URL field, enter the exact website URL that will be used for authentication. Continue to the icon section. Upload the required images for the main application icon, application page icon, and the mobile and web dashboard icons. Once the required details and icons are complete, check the I'm not a robot box. Scroll to the bottom and click Register to submit the application. After Tumblr processes the registration, you'll return to the Applications page. Your new application will appear here with the OAuth consumer key. Click Show Secret Key to reveal the secret key. Copy both credentials and add them to the Tumblr settings in your WordPress plugin.